very much.
Deputy Speaker, I withdraw. Let's proceed.
Honorable member, take your seat.
Let's
please.
proceed.
Yes.
Because I must deal with these things before you chase me out. I'm not going anywhere. I'm here. Now, the oath that our members are made to take, they actually are being asked to cover up corruption. They are leasing buildings, these people. They can't tell you how many square meters. They can't tell you where the building is. They just give you an amount. This is how much we are going to pay for a square meter. And when you try to investigate that, they say it's a classified information. How can a square meter be a classified information? So we need to expose these types of shenanigans which are going on in the intelligence communities. President, you promised a comprehensive package of services to women and children. The Minister of Women is going to speak here because we are not hearing anything about how you are going to empower women, particularly a girl child. Young girls are being killed in South Africa. Men have declared war against women. But the government does not have a clear strategy on how they are going to deal with that. Young women do not have sanitary towels. They want to be helped. And talking of this, Mr. President, it reminds me of a question I have for you. Where is the First Lady? Because you never go anywhere with the First Lady. You never engage in any program that seeks to give us a good image of a president with a family. Some of these sanitary towels programs should be taken up by our beautiful First Lady. We hope there is no crisis, Mr. President. Mr. President, your finance minister